today I'll share the recipe of green peas pulao. Green peas are my one of the favorite vegetables in winter season, owing to the fact that the sweetness of green peas goes very handy with this type of recipes, pulao, fried rice, and with that I have served here potato cauliflower curry. This goes best with this type of recipes. I do have that recipe. I'll post in the description box. So do try out this recipe. Quick, easy, tasty and very tempting. So's Food Corner special green peas pulao. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to this page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this recipe. So for making the pulao, first we'll make the rice, and that I will do in pressure cooker. I have taken a long grain basmati rice around 1 glass and or 300 grams. I will not pre-soak it. I will just wash it 2 to 3 times and then I will pressure cook it. So here I have taken washed rice in a pressure cooker. 2 green cardamom pods I'll add, and water here goes 1 and 1/4 glass. So the ratio is very important. For 1 glass of rice I have taken 1 and 1/4 glass of water, and now I'll close the lid and then pressure cook it on high flame for 1 whistle, and then I'll leave it till the gas naturally resets, and then our rice for pulao will be ready. It's a very quick way to make rice. So here comes my first whistle. So now let it rest. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the other ingredients, and here I have taken a saute pan. I have added around half cup of oil. I need to heat this oil nicely, and now I have taken 1 large onion, finely sliced, literally finely sliced, and this goes into this oil when the oil is nicely heated. So add the onions, and once you have added the onions, reduce the flame to medium high and let this onion turn golden brown, exactly as we do in biryani. We need fried onions. Similarly, for making this pulao, I will be needing fried onions. That's why I have used this large size onions. This much amount of fried onions is good for 1 glass of rice. If you are increasing the amount of rice, you can always increase the amount of fried onions. So this is looking good. So I have shown the entire procedure. It gradually turns golden. Onions tend to cook naturally. I mean, they have the tendency to retain the heat. So some cooking goes on after we have removed them from oil. So don't over fry them at this stage. So you can see in my video, it has started to gain the golden color. So at this stage, I'll remove them in a strainer so that the excess oil drains out. And this onion oil can be used in n number of ways. They have the flavor of onions. You can use them in curries, gravies, or you can use them to saute or fry some vegetables. They will taste great. And meanwhile, my pressure cooker has released all the pressure. So I'll just remove the cover and see. Just let the steam escape for around 10 seconds, and then I'll use a fork and start scraping from sides, so that we do not break the beautiful grains of rice. And as you can see in my video, the rice is perfectly done. It's fluffy, it has cooked to perfection, and it's ready for pulao. So now again I have taken the same saute pan, and to it I will add 2 tablespoons of oil, regular cooking oil on medium flame, and then I have taken cashews 2 tablespoons. I have just cut it into half, and this goes into this oil. I just need to roast these cashews till they are golden brown on medium flame, and same logic applies in cashews. Cashews do tend to cook once they have removed from heat. So don't overcook them in the oil. And in the same oil goes 2 tablespoons of raisins, and just fry these raisins till they turn slightly golden brown. Raisins, cashews, fried onions, all combined together with the beautiful flavor of peas and rice gives this pulao a very nice flavor, very sublime and nice taste. To try out this recipe, then we'll know the flavors, what magic it creates. And these raisins, they are done. And in the same saute pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, 1 inch of cinnamon sticks, star anise 1, and 1 black cardamom goes in. Just let all these whole spices release its flavor in this oil. It will take around 10 to 20 seconds on medium high flame, and once it's done, I'll just add half cup of fresh green peas. Make sure you are careful at this stage because the ghee might splash back. So you can always use the cover to cover it instantly, so that the oil doesn't come upon your face, but it's okay. It actually depends upon expertise, but if you are newbie, you can always use the cover just to cover it so that it is safely done in this way. So fresh green peas are a must for this recipe. I would prefer fresh green peas always, but if you are not making it in winter season, you can always use the frozen ones, but if you are using frozen ones, the taste will be slightly different. So as because we are using fresh green peas, I have added half teaspoon of salt and just saute it for 1 to 2 minutes in open flame, in medium high flame, and then I will cover it and cook for 3 to 4 minutes till the fresh green peas softens. But if you are using the frozen ones, we do not need to cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. We just need to fry it or saute it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can add in our rice. But as because I am using the fresh green peas, I had covered it, and after 2 to 3 minutes of covered cooking, these green peas have actually cooked around 80%. You can see the peas have halved and it's just looking lovely. The smell is awesome. So at this stage, just mix it, and I need to add the cooked rice that we had cooked in the pressure cooker. So if you are making this in winter, do prefer adding fresh green peas, otherwise you can use the frozen ones. So at this stage, my green peas are done, and I'll just mix it. The salt and grease pin, everything, they are looking just great, and my cooked rice goes in at this stage. And then I'll add salt, half teaspoon. Half teaspoon was already added in green peas, half teaspoon goes here at this stage of salt. And then I'll add the fried onions. I'll just leave 2 tablespoons for garnishing at last. That gives a very nice look. And the fried cashews, fried raisins goes in, and then on medium flame I need to mix it very carefully, because if the grains of rice breaks in the pulao, it doesn't feel good and the look is also a bit different. So carefully mix this pulao from sides in this way, as I am mixing very gently on medium flame. And after mixing for 2 to 3 times, I will add sugar around 1 tablespoon, and I had actually tasted the salt. So you can adjust salt according to this taste. Adding sugar at this stage will give a nice caramelized flavor, and the sweetness of the peas goes very nice with the sweetness of the sugar. So just mix everything 2 to 3 minutes till all the ingredients get nicely mixed. And once you see the pulao has nicely mixed, in my video you can see how beautifully the pulao has turned out till now. So just make sure you do this process very carefully, and now cover it and cook it on low medium flame for just 2 to 3 minutes till all the flavors gets nicely mixed together. And as the steam will be formed, the sugar, the salt, the fried onions have nicely mixed together, and this is the result of a beautiful peas pulao. You can see it's looking lovely. And so my restaurant style green peas pulao is ready to be served. It was a really quick recipe, and now I have served this pulao. You can see in my video how beautiful it's looking. And lastly, I have added some fried onions on the top and served with a beautiful cauliflower potato curry. As I had said, I do have this link, and this goes very well with this curry. Beautiful flavors, sweetness of green peas, fried onions, caramelized onions with the clarified butter, and the flavorful awesome basmati rice. Everything goes hand in hand with the recipe. So I hope you have liked this video. Do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.